Lesson 2, Part 2. The treble, or G, clef. Let's recall Lesson 2 Part 1. There are three primary clefs, the treble clef, the alto clef, and the bass clef, each with its own reference point. Let's focus on the treble clef, which represents the highest pitched, or sounding, notes. The treble clef is also known as the G clef because of its reference point. The treble clef curves around the second line from the bottom, which, for this clef, represents the note G. This is the treble clef reference point. This curve also looks like a G. Note names follow the musical alphabet pattern, both ascending and descending, from the G reference point of the treble clef. The space above the G is the note A. The line above the A is the note B, the space below the G is the note F. There is also a mnemonic device used for identifying the notes of the treble clef, in which we have a sentence where each word begins with each note name. Starting from the bottom line ascending to each line, skipping the spaces, we have E, G, B, D, and F. The mnemonic device is every good boy does fine. E, G, B, D, F. The notes of the four spaces with the treble clef spell out the word face, F, A, C, E. In lieu of the letters themselves being used, notes are placed on the staff. Using the reference point and mnemonic devices, we are able to identify the names of the notes in a musical passage, like you see here. These notes are D, A, D, B, E, D. So remember, the treble clef, which has the highest sounding notes, is also called the G clef, because of the reference point. The mnemonic device is helpful for remembering the note names for the lines on the staff with a treble clef. Every good boy does fine. E, G, B, D, F. The spaces on the staff with a treble clef spell the word face, F, A, C, E. When they are both put together, we have the staff with the treble clef.